hand, the sun, the moon, and a ball. Circles up above the sky. A square has four sides all the same. A picture frame fits in the game. Windows, boxes, so neat and true. Squares are everywhere, who knew? A triangle has three sides, you see. It's pointy and sharp like a Christmas tree. Watermelon slice, ice cream and pizza pie. Triangles reach up to the sky. A rectangle is long and wide. It has four sides. Bookstores and buildings, so many to find. Rectangles help us, they're one of a kind. A pentagon has five straight sides, like a house where shapes can hide. House, circus, tents, and carousel. Five-pointed fun on every street. A hexagon has six sides to see, like a honeycomb made by a bee. Look for snowflakes in winter's glow. Shapes are here,